So motion control, we do all sorts of components and products for the automation industry. Obviously the stand was designed with our marketing team, with you guys, and it's come out absolutely perfectly. It's turning heads. We've been very, very happy with the design. We turned up, it was all spectacular, and you know, where you guys have been so forthcoming with the design work, I think we've done a very good job alongside you guys with representing what we needed to show on the stand here. And we've already agreed to come back next year, and we've agreed to extend the stand by 2 meters as well, so we're going to be coming up with some more designs with you guys. Already got it up here, so this wall, which is fantastic, we're going to move it over there, extend this down, and then we've got a new wall design to go there. The modular aspect of it is so key because we have such a diverse product range. Being able to swap out a wall with product it's integral to what we need to do. Otherwise we'd be too static. Our product range will develop, will change, and we're always forward thinking. So new products will come out. We need to be able to put them up and show them off. So the modular aspect is key. It's been so smooth. It's been so smooth. It's been brilliant. Couldn't recommend highly enough. The marketing teams had no problems. Everything that they suggested was implemented. Obviously, being around the corner, we could come down, see the stand built, see exactly what we're getting into. So it was incredible.